I'm Micah Smith, and I'm super excited to tell you about what we're going to be doing for Imagine Day 3, specifically looking at the tech tracks. So I want to break down exactly what tech tracks I think you should be looking for and who they might be targeted for. Okay, so let's take a quick look. First off, I'm new to Automation Anywhere and I'm not sure where to start. We've got 2 sessions that'll be perfect for you. First is getting ready to get hands-on. And in this session, we walk through assuming no background of Automation Anywhere, assuming no background of RPA. We look to get you registered in Community Edition, look to get your bot agent set up and that installation taken care of. And then we create just a really quick sample bot just to make sure your machine is set up so that you're ready to go if you want to participate with any of the other tutorials that are happening on the Tech Track Day, Day 3. The second session is building your first bots, and I would say definitely check this out if you don't have a lot of experience in RPA or specifically you don't have experience in Automation Anywhere. Again, this assumes no prior RPA or programming background. You're going to go through with 2 of our top trainers how to build your first bots, a quick explanation of the layout and how things work within the Automation 360 interface. If you've seen all the demos before and you're ready for something really advanced, something more, we've got 2 great sessions for you. First is a hyper-automation self-improving bots demo. And in this session, we're going to explore what it would look like if we were able to have bots that could mimic not only just human actions, but also human decision making. And we're going to see how we can create bots that are self-improving and bots that can learn. Really fun session. I've been working on that one since like January, so I promise you that that one is good. And we'll have all the code available for you afterwards. So if you want to replicate the demo that I'm going to be doing in that session, definitely come for that. The second is leveraging Ari with intelligent automation. And this one is actually a tutorial. And I differentiate that to say that a tutorial is meant for you to follow along with me and build along. And so for this particular tutorial, we're going to be importing a couple bots, and this will work with CE or regular Automation 360. And we're going to import some bots and we're going to build out an Ari process. So that means we're going to build out the forms, we're going to build the process, we're going to make sure the whole thing works end to end, we're going to do some testing, and we'll validate that our process works correctly. So great session if you want to learn a little bit more about Ari or you're just getting started with Ari and you want to build out some different processes. What if you're looking to take your organization's RPA practice to the next level with some of the other applications offered by Automation Anywhere? I would suggest 3 sessions. First, identifying RPA opportunities with Discovery Bot. In this session, we're going to go through how to record, analyze, and document your business processes that can help you to jumpstart as you start to scale your RPA practice. Definitely a great session. The next session I would recommend is Insights into your RPA practice. In this session, we're going to be leveling up your RPA insights with business and operational dashboards powered by Bot Insight. And so you'll get to see the different types of dashboards you can create in Bot Insight. We'll go through and customize them. We'll also take a look at Insight Anywhere and how you can connect to different third-party data management platforms like Tableau. The last session I would recommend is accelerating AP automation with IQBot. Auto extraction is a new capability from Automation Anywhere, which leverages an AI model for out-of-box invoice processing. In this session, we're going to explore exactly how to use that, how to set that up, and we'll look at an example of its use and talk about some of the pros and cons. Finally, for those of you who specifically say, I miss the normal interaction at in-person events, and that would be me. First off, how do I break into the RPA industry? This is going to be a roundtable discussion with myself and John Stuvey and Aaron Gleason, who are both trainers here at Automation Anywhere. We're going to talk about some of the most common questions that we get on LinkedIn and social media and talk about how people can break into the RPA industry if you're not an RPA expert. Or if you're already in RPA, how do you differentiate yourself from other developers that might be competing for the same jobs? So we're going to talk about some of those keys and talk about some of the questions that we frequently get. Finally, rounding out the day, we're going to have a hallway conversation with the experts. And again, this is designed so that, hey, we all miss those conversations. Hey, I had a question about that presentation, wondered if I could get an answer from you. So this is your chance to interact with some of the presenters for the different sessions for that day. And so myself, as well as some of the other presenters, will be live on a video feed and we'll be taking questions from you and questions that you've asked either in real time or also on Twitter during the week of Imagine. So be sure to check that out. We're going to be answering as many questions as we can in the time allotted. Finally, the most important thing, make sure you register for Imagine. It's at imagine.automationanywhere.com. Go through the registration. There's some excellent sessions on both day 1 and 2, but specifically make sure that you register for the 3rd day where we're going to be doing the tech tracks, and you'll get access to all those materials. I can't wait to see you there. Imagine 2021 is going to be incredible. Go be great.